Alright guys, today I got something really cool to show you. This is the beginnings of a 163-inch video wall installation, micro LED. It's going to be providing an incredible viewing experience in this room. We have a lot of other cool technology in here as well to go with it. These huge custom speakers that are going to go in on each side of it, as well as two integrated wall subwoofers right here, McIntosh amplification running the room, Kaleidoscope video server. This thing checks all the boxes. I can't wait to show you more of the details. To flank this video wall, we built these custom speakers, horn-loaded, full LCR channels and left-right channels with these custom-made grills, and all driven by McIntosh amplification. So it sounds incredible. So it's a home theater as well.